Patty Christensen, Hand CRPS lady. Whew, man, I got to color that hair. Weekends. When I'm doing good, I'm on. Basically, I'm an on or off kind of girl. So if if the health's not good, I'm down hard. But if it's okay, I'm going to take advantage of it. And one of the things I like to do, it's my happy place, don't judge, is I like to organize. And then the other thing is I live in an area that has a very high water table. So even though I live in Utah and most people have basements, I don't. I don't have basements, which means I can't let stuff pile up too much because it's visible. So my project from yesterday, now I don't have a before picture because in all honesty, I forgot, but also, hey, plausible deniability, right? So I worked on my laundry room. So let me flip this around. So it's just on this kind of the side of the property, the side of the house. You can kind of see it's a laundry room area, but just picture just junk piled everywhere. Like you couldn't even, there was just stuff all in here. It was awful, right? And that closet door couldn't even close because there was so much stuff. Okay, did a quick little pause there so I could open this. So this was just so full of junk, right? But now you'll see that and everything's labeled. Oh yeah, you're hardcore when you're pulling out the label maker. But I've got everything all nice and organized. And apparently I had like 15 mops, 10 brooms. I don't know. Got rid of all of it because it was a little bit crazy. Though I do have some little stick-ons that I can put things. And then right there, again, everything's kind of all organized and cleaned up. And so I'm very excited that I got all of that done. So there you go. That was my project for yesterday, was cleaning out and organizing the laundry room. So now it just doesn't look like madness anymore.